Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see background apps running on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, tap on See All Apps. Here, you'll see the full list of apps installed on your phone. To check which apps are running in the background, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Show System. Now look for apps labeled Running, Active, or In Background. These are the apps currently running on your phone. Another way to check is through Developer Options. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap About Phone. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times to enable Developer Options. Now go back, open Developer Options, and tap Running Services. Here, you'll see every app running in the background along with how much memory they're using. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.